Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can set up automations on Activecampaign, so let's get right into it. Now, Activecampaign is a site for managing your marketing in the best way possible, and it can help you with using automations, which will automate some certain processes. Now, if we go over into the automations tab, as you can see, you have the automations and you have the automations map. Now, under the map, you'll see all your automations that are currently taking place. Mine is empty. And over here, as you can see, you can automate a couple of different things. You can automate engaging campaigns, increase leads, and student enrollment and effectively, etc., etc. This is pretty much just an overview. Now, when you click create an automation, it's going to take you to the automation creation page. And here you can either start from scratch or do something different. I'm going to start from scratch, click continue, and then it should take us to the menu. Now, for some reason, it's frozen, and there we go. Once it's here, then you need to set up your automations. You need to select a trigger. For example, if somebody submits a form, select any form, then runs once, and segment the contacts. Entering this automation is an option that you can turn on. I will. But you do need to create a condition, so I'm not going to do that. I'm a bit lazy. Then you just click save, and as you can see, you have a trigger. You can add another start trigger, but once you do that, you can then set up an action. For example, send an email, start from an existing mail, past campaigns. I'll just select this one, click create, and then that should send it to somebody from, and you can send it to somebody else. Tracking is another thing that you can do. The email name is just going to be the email name that you selected. Subject line is going to be the email that you've selected as well. And yeah, that is basically it. Now, I mean, you can select tracking if you want to, and you can send it immediately or predictive send, depending on what you want. I'll set it in send immediately, and then just click save, and that should be it. And that is all there is to it. Now that we have this, you can set it to active, and that automation is now active. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.